I don't know about y'all, but I'm still not over the Renaissance. All of the looks Beyonce was serving on her tour, they're ingrained in my memory, especially this one in particular. It's a Balmain outfit that Beyonce wore to a Renaissance premiere, and I just thought it looked like the perfect DIY, so I'm gonna try to make it. All right, y'all, I picked up all of my materials for this DIY. I have some foam sheets, some felt, black foam sheets, some fabric tack, any type of glue really works. And then I have a bunch of rhinestones and a bunch of pearls. So I'm gonna start looking at the design and kind of tracing out the layout of the gems and the pearls. I'm super excited for this DIY, so keep on watching to see the finished result. Be sure to follow and subscribe for more content like this. I'm on Instagram, TikTok, and here on YouTube at The Charmaine Marie.